Are generative AI NFTs the next wave in the NFT market? With sales on OpenSea, the world's largest NFT marketplace, down nearly 90% in December 2022 compared to last year, it's time to ask what's next for non-fungible tokens. Will generative AI be the solution to the NFT market's decline? Join us as we explore the future of NFTs and whether generative AI has the potential to revolutionize the way we think about digital art and collectibles. Generative AI NFTs are NFTs that are created using artificial intelligence, making them completely unique and one of a kind. For example, the AI can generate original works of art, music, or writing, and the resulting NFT can be sold on the blockchain like any other NFT. But why are generative AI NFTs so exciting? For one, they have the potential to completely transform the traditional art world. In the past, artists had to physically create their works, limiting the number of pieces that could be produced and sold. However, with generative AI NFTs, the AI can create an unlimited number of original works, allowing artists to potentially sell more of their work and reach a larger audience with the correct prompt. Generative AI has the potential to democratize the art world by allowing anyone to create and sell digital art through the use of artificial intelligence models trained on a vast database of human-created artwork. With generative AI, the barriers to entry are lowered, opening up the market to a much wider pool of creators. This may result in a wider variety of styles and subjects being represented in the NFT market. However, the value of generative AI art compared to art created by humans is a topic of debate. As some may argue that the unique human touch of an artist gives their work more value, while others may see the technical skills and algorithms used in generative AI art as increasing its value. Ultimately, the worth of generative AI will depend on the perceptions and preferences of collectors and the art world at large. The adoption of NFTs and collectors by the art world has already shown a willingness to embrace new technologies and approaches to art. As such, it's likely that those already invested in the NFT market will have no problem embracing AI-created art. Generative AI in art may even be seen as an exciting development by some collectors, as it introduces new possibilities and opportunities for art creation and collection. Of course, the context in which the art is presented may also play a role in its reception. For example, suppose an AI-generated piece is presented as a groundbreaking experiment in artificial intelligence. In that case, it may be seen as more valuable or interesting than if it were simply presented as a regular piece of art. Regardless of whether a human or a machine created a piece of art, if it is aesthetically pleasing and resonates with the viewer, it will likely be appreciated and valued. The use of AI in the world of NFTs will also extend far beyond just art. Just like how Midjourney and Stable Diffusion have revolutionized how we can create endless art, OpenAI's language model GPT will enable the creation of a new type of NFT called an intelligent NFT, also called iNFT. An intelligent non-fungible token is a type of NFT that is embedded with a prompt from the generative pre-trained transformer language model as part of its immutable smart contract. iNFTs are not only capable of generating intelligent and interactive content, but also have animation capabilities. This is made possible by storing carefully crafted prompts in the smart contract layer. To be ahead of the curve for the next bull run in crypto, here are some characteristics and traits of iNFTs you must know. Number 1. Embedded intelligence. An iNFT includes a predefined or evolving prompt from a GPT-X language model as part of its immutable architecture, enabling the creation of interactive, generative content. Number 2. Self-learning. An iNFT can acquire new knowledge and forms of intelligence accessible to the owner, creator, and eventually the network. Number 3. Permissionless. iNFTs are universally usable and censorship-resistant. Number 4. Metaverse agnostic. iNFTs are open to the internet and can be integrated with multiple platforms. Number 5. Valuable and fractionable. iNFTs accrue value that is accessible to the owner and creator and its communities. We've already seen projects like Alethea and Altered State Machine allow users to embed their existing NFTs with AI, adding new levels of interaction and meaning to NFTs in the metaverse. Additionally, these AI-embedded NFTs are expected to appreciate in value not just due to market forces, but also based on their progress in evolving, learning, and self-improvement. We believe the next bull market in crypto will be all about these new types of intelligent and generative NFTs. Of course, there are also some potential drawbacks to all of this to consider. Some people may be hesitant to buy art created by a machine, and there may be concerns about the long-term value of generative AI NFTs. It remains to be seen how the market will develop, but it's clear that generative AI NFTs have the potential to be a game changer in the world of art and cryptocurrency. Recently, there has been a lot of controversy and outrage surrounding artificial intelligence and its role in art. This has led to protests by members of the ArtStation community and responses from advocates of AI technology. The situation has escalated to a point where it has garnered significant attention on social media. There are two main criticisms of AI art tools that have emerged in recent discussions. The first criticism is that these tools simply combine or merge existing images to create something new, but this is not accurate. AI models learn how to create art through a process similar to how the brain learns, rather than simply combining pre-existing images. The second criticism is that AI art programs are trained using billions of images scraped from the internet, including copyrighted works and creations by artists who did not give their consent for their work to be used in this way. While there is some validity to this concern about ethics, it also touches on deeper, more emotional issues about the nature of art and the fear that machines may be able to match or surpass human abilities in creative endeavors. This fear is understandable and may be influenced by existential concerns about the role of technology in society. So there you have it, a brief overview of generative AI and intelligent NFTs and their potential impact. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe and click the bell icon to stay tuned for more updates on this exciting development in generative AI.